When George III died in 1820, Britain stood at a crossroads, powerful yet restless. His sons, George IV and William IV, ruled in an age of rapid change. As industry transformed towns into sprawling cities, smoke rose from new factories, and railways carried progress across the land. Then, in 1837, a young queen ascended the throne, Victoria. Barely 18, she would rule for more than 60 years. Her reign became an era, an age of empire, invention, and contradiction. Britain's navy ruled the seas, its colonies stretched across continents, and its markets reached every corner of the globe. The sun, people said, never set on the British Empire. Yet beneath the grandeur, unrest stirred. Workers marched for rights, women demanded the vote, and Ireland's voice grew louder. Rebellions abroad and rivals in Europe tested Britain's might. By the time Victoria died in 1901, she had become more than a monarch. She was a symbol of stability, embodying both the pride and the burdens of empire.